In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ClickUp as a guest. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you manage tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay organized. As a guest, you might have limited permissions, but there's still a lot you can do to keep up with shared projects and contribute effectively. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through how to navigate the platform like a pro. Let's dive in. First, open ClickUp and log in using your guest credentials. Make sure you've received these credentials from the person or organization inviting you and enter them carefully to access your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the ClickUp dashboard, which is the starting point for everything you'll do on the platform. Next, locate the global navigation bar on the left side of your screen. This is your main hub for accessing ClickUp's features. When you click on the global navigation bar, you'll unlock tools for communication, collaboration, and organization. These features help you stay connected and keep track of everything that's been shared with you. Within the navigation bar, look for the Shared With Me section in the Spaces sidebar. This is where you'll find all the spaces, folders, and lists that others have specifically shared with you. Take a moment to explore this section, as it holds the key to accessing the tasks and resources that you've been invited to collaborate on. To dive into a shared item, simply click on it, whether it's a folder, a list, or an individual task. You'll immediately gain access to its content. Review the details, check for updates, and familiarize yourself with the information available to you. Now let's move over to the home sidebar. This is your go-to area for tracking notifications, managing tasks, and accessing your favorites. Click on a notification or a favorite to open the associated task, document, or message. This way, you'll always stay on top of what's happening within the shared workspace. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Toolbar. This is where you can perform some essential actions, like searching for items, creating new tasks if your permissions allow it, or adjusting your personal settings. Need to find something specific? Click on the search bar within the toolbar and type in keywords to locate documents, tasks, or even chat messages in seconds. To further organize your work, you can switch between different task views. These include options like list view or board view, which allow you to see your tasks in ways that make the most sense to you. Simply use the Views bar to toggle between these formats and customize your workflow. If you're looking for something specific, like a document, whiteboard, or chat message, head to the Command Center. This is another powerful tool that lets you quickly search through everything shared with you so you can find what you need without wasting time. As a guest, it's important to understand your permissions. Test them out by attempting to create or edit a task. If you don't have the required permissions, ClickUp will notify you, so you'll know what actions are restricted. To make your experience more personalized, explore your personal settings here. You can adjust the theme, change the language, set date and time formats, and configure your notification preferences. Customizing these settings will help make ClickUp feel more tailored to your needs. Accidents happen, and if you ever delete something unintentionally, don't worry. You can restore it from the trash folder. Just make sure to act quickly, as items in the trash might not stay there forever. However, as a guest, you won't be able to permanently delete items. This action is restricted to admins. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start collaborating. And that's it! With this guide, you now have the tools to navigate ClickUp as a guest efficiently and confidently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.